Web translator, enter web page URL here. Select English and select another language. So it's a way to translate your sentences and your document. A new window will open, and if you are connected with internet, so you will see. And if not connected, also it will work because it's file C user app data local Microsoft window. So this information coming from your PC. So let it try without internet, and also in next video we'll discuss this thing. So like this you can translate your document. And another option in translate selected text. Translate to translate your document. Text will be sent over the internet in a secured format to Microsoft or a third-party translation service provider. So if you are PC connected, so you will see the translation from here. So firstly select and click on this second option. You can change language from here. And you can directly insert from here. Yes. You can copy and paste. All reference book translation for Spain, France, United Kingdom, UK. In Arabic, mini translator. To translate your document, next text will be sent over the internet. Click on yes. So select your language. So type any word. So here we can see now this box.
How are you?
You can copy that mini translate and paste. Try again. So let me check this. Like this, you can use this translation service. So we discuss about this translate and language. New comment. Add a note about this part of the document. If you want to add a comment in your document, so firstly you need some text. And you want to comment on this text, click here. Add a comment. You can reply. And resolve. So very simple to add a comment. Just click here and you can type your comment. First one and second one. So clearly you will see this sign for comment. And to hide this comment panel, select here and select no markup. So it will be hidden. And to show, click here, show markup. Choose what type of markup to show in your document. For example, you can hide comments or formatting changes. So select here comments. So easy method to hide, uncheck, and also you can select no markup to hide comment panel, and to show markup and select comments.